Ok. Estos problemas son buenos porque nos ayudan a repasar vocabulario, ¿sí? Those problems will be good to see vocabulary. Okay, supplementary. Angles that at 180 degrees. Complementary, the angles will at 90 degrees. Okay. So here it says that we have two angles that complete 180 degrees, and the larger is twice the smaller. Okay? Do you understand the problem?
Okay, and C and D.
Okay. C and D. Uh, uh, what is the word that you are? Do you know what adjacent are?
Adjacent?
Adjacent.
No.
They are one. They are side by side. For example, those two angles are adjacent. Okay.
Okay.
If we have two angles or more, but usually we will use only two that add up to 180, those are supplementary. If the two angles add up 19 degrees are complementary. And vertical, two angles are vertical and complementary. Okay. They are, I think that vertical is the use that are opposite by the vertex. So, okay. You can solve the one.
A.
The problem number, the problem A.
Um, are is
Okay, let's. Here, always we need to make a drawing. Conviene que hagamos un dibujo cuando vamos a resolver un problema. A, the angles are supplementary, so they complete 180 degrees. And the larger, it's twice the smaller. Okay. So we can solve this.
yeah, so it's 60 degrees and the larger one is 120 degrees.
Okay. That's all. That was this program is asking. Always, it's convenient to make a drawing. Siempre es conveniente hacer un dibujo cuando hacemos geometría. Puede ser un dibujo rápido, solo un esquema. Okay. B.
Are the angles 35 and 55.
Okay, 35 and 55. Okay, we can make a drawing. They are complementary, so they complete 90 degrees. One is x, the other one is x plus 20. So 2x plus 20 is 90. Okay. So 2x is 70. X is 35. And this is 55. Okay. Well, yes,
Okay.
that's right. The problem number C. Do you have solved the problem C?
Yeah. Mm,
Okay. Uh, let's make a drawing. We're going to draw the problem. The angles are adjacent, so they touch. It's one. This is one. For example, x. This is y. See? Two figures are adjacent if they are side by side. If they touch each other. Okay. Here it says, okay. So aquí dice que suman 120, ¿no? X plus Y equals 120. And we need to find an equation for this. You can choose. Okay, I will change a little the drawing. So y it's greater than x. How can we need to find this equation? Can you find this equation?
um, for um 4y equals 140.
Okay. I let me see how you find that. The larger Why? It's 20 less
Oh,
than 3, the
I,
smaller.
You
So,
don't eat it. You
yes,
don't eat
yes,
it.
yes,
So,
you have
Sebastian, how you doing?
um, um,
hey, how do you
I,
find
I'm,
Mhm.
I meant X.
Okay, we can substitute here and we will have x plus 3x minus 20, well, 120. And you say that for x equals 140.
Sí.
You say this, okay? See, how do you find this? Do you say something like this?
Okay.
You did something like this? Okay, well, so what is the value of, what is the measure of every angle? X equals 35. Okay,
35. Okay. That means y must be 85.
okay, 85. That's right. And it's not necessary, but we can verify if this is the right answer. 3 times this will be 105 minus 20. We will have 85. Okay, that's right. We're only checking. Okay. And the last one here, it says that the angles are vertical. I think that this is opposite by the vertex and complementary. So this plus x will be 90 degrees because complementary, it's 90. So 2x will be 90 and x will be 45. Okay. Well, let's try some measures. In each case, we need to find an equation and we need to find every angle. Okay.
Um, so the smaller angle is 26.
Okay, that's right.
And the other is 62.
The other is 62. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay, how do you solve it? Do you draw something, make an equation?
Yeah.
Okay. Example, we can draw something like this. Those are adjacent angles. Adjacent. The smaller is x, and the larger is x plus 36. So we will have x 36, well, 88, and we solve this equation, no? Yeah. The second, the problem B.
A different pen. Um,
Okay.
is the smaller 30 and the larger 60.
Okay. We only need to draw complementary. So together they gives 19. 19. Next, x plus 2x, 13 and 60. 30 and 60. Okay, the problem number C.
Is it 60 degrees and 120 degrees?
120. The problem number C.
See?
Okay, let's see. We have two angles that are supplementary. Together they give us 180. One is 16 less than twice the other. Okay. If this is X, it's twice the other.
Twice.
Yes.
Okay.
It's twice. Okay. I don't know if this is the if this is the large or but we are going to solve this. We will have 2x minus 60 plus x equals 180. So 3x equals 240. Okay. So x equals 200. So x will be no over 3. We must divide by 3. Okay. This gives us
80.
80. Okay. Do you say 80?
Okay. No.
Okay. And this will be 100. Take together gives us 180. And twice 80 minus 60 gives us 100. Okay.
Okay.
It's always useful to draw something, even if the problem seems very easy. Making a drawing, it's very fast, and you can have more control of the problem. Sí, siempre es útil hacer un dibujo. Incluso si el problema te parece sencillo, no te tardas mucho haciendo el dibujo, es muy rápido y tienes más control sobre el problema. Problem number D. Problem D. Okay. Mhm. Yes.
I think the angles are 78 and 102.
Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. We can make a draw. Okay, the angles are supplementary. So they gives 180. The difference of the angles is 24. We can write it this way. So this always will be 24 greater than this, and the difference will be 24. We have x plus 24 equals 180, and we can solve this. Sometimes we say we make something like this: x plus y equals 180. And y minus x equals 24. Okay, I will write again this y plus x. How do we solve this one? How can we solve this? This is easier. But how we can solve this one? Do you know? We can make a sandwich with them. We can
add them.
we can take them and add. We will have x y plus y 2y, x minus x 0, and 180 and 24. Okay, here we have the equal sign. We're adding this 2y 0 equals 204. 2y equals 204. Y equals 102. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes it's very easy to make a sandwich with all the equations. You can put together all them and make only one equation with them. Okay. Well, we are going to try this. Okay, we have some information for this, and okay, fine. Okay, here it says the measure of angle ADC. Okay, this M means measure. La medida. Nos están dando la medida del ángulo. So we need to find ADC, this angle, if we have some information. Okay. The first one, it's very easy, I think. You can see.
¿Por qué dice ADC?
Okay. Sometimes, for example, we have a figure like this. For example, we have this figure, okay? And if we have, you mean why we have 3 letters? ¿Preguntas por qué tenemos 3 letras?
Sí.
Okay. For example, if I have this figure, which one is angle B? Is this one? Or is this one? Or maybe is this? When we have several angles, and sometimes it's not enough using only one letter, okay? Cuando tenemos varios ángulos juntos, a veces no es suficiente dar una letra, ¿sí? Do you understand this idea? If we have this figure, we don't know if angle B is this one or all this or which one. So we make a map. We can say angle C, B, D. We are saying you put in C, move towards B, move to B, and then move to D. So CBD, it's different than CBA. Do you understand this?
Is
Is
that part of Is that D?
Okay, CBA. Okay. Yeah. No, CBA. Okay. No, I'm saying that if we have this one, here it's saying you put in C, move to B, and move to D. Those three letters, estas tres letras nos dicen cómo movernos y el ángulo que se dibuja es este. Okay?
Ah,
But if we have CBA, here it says you put in C, move to B, then move to A. Okay? The letter in the middle, la letra que está en medio, nos dice el vértice. The other two letters say when we start and when and where we end. Okay, do you
okay.
understand? Sí.
Sí.
Usamos tres letras porque hay varios ángulos mezclados. Entonces, in this case, in this one, if we say angle D, if we say only angle D, we don't know if it's all this or only this or this. So it's necessary using the three letters.
Do they mean all D?
See, this is ODC, it's all this.
Okay.
Okay. The problems may be easy, but allows us to make to understand a lot of notation that we will use. Okay. So what is the measure of angle ADC? Here only says C because it refers to this one. Solo usa la letra C porque aquí está marcado el ángulo C. This will be 45. D will be this 85. So the angle ADC
Okay. 130.
okay. That's right. We only need to add those two. Okay. Now let's see. I think that we will need a bigger picture. Okay. Then we will work with the option B.
Is it 120 degrees?
Okay. Let's see. We have a B. A B. Here we have it's 60. Here we will have 120 because this is a line. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. C. Problem C.
75 degrees.
How many?
75?
85? I think
No. 75.
75. Okay, because we have a right angle here. So we need to subtract 19 minus 18 and minus 15. Okay, it will be 75. Okay, and problem number D. Problem D.
One 112.
Okay, we have here we have a right angle, and it's asking ABC, A, B, C. Okay, and angle B is 42. We will add 19 plus 42. 100.
132.
Okay,
No, I didn't. I correctly.
okay, that's it. Okay, do you understand why we are using three letters? ¿Sí te queda claro por qué estamos usando tres letras? Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. So let's make this one. Okay.
Um, 90 degrees. For 3 o'clock.
Okay. Yes. When we have 3 o'clock, we will have 12 here. Here 3, 1, 2. So at 3 o'clock, we will have one hand pointing to the 3, and the other one will be pointing to the 12. Here we have 90 degrees. Okay. At 10 o'clock,
60 degrees.
Okay. 60 degrees. Okay. And here at 5:13, at 5:30. Do you know how to solve the
Sí.
subsection C? Okay.
But 15 degrees.
Okay. Yes. That's because maybe 15. Okay. Okay. Yes. Maybe some a common mistake. It's saying that at 5:30 we will have the 5 here and the the minute hand in this place. But when the minute hand is advancing, cuando se mueve, when the minute hand moves, this also is moving in a lower uh, speed, but it's moving. So this must be here in the middle. So we will have 15. Okay. And at 11:30, the subsection D.
$165.
Let me see. The minute hand will be here. The hour hand will be here. What was your answer?
165.
And 65. Okay. Okay. Because here we have, okay, 65. okay? Because we have 15 degrees here, and here we have a flat angle, okay? So we need to subtract 180 minus 15. Okay, that's right. And the problem on this. Okay, we are going to work with this.
Okay.
Okay. This one is easy. In the figure 154, in this figure, we need to name two pairs of perpendicular lines. Can you find two perpendicular lines? Do you know?
This
Okay, yes, I hear you.
it's perpendicular.
Perpendicular? Okay. Two lines are perpendicular if they form a right angle.
Oh, then it's BC, BA, CA, B. No, CD.
Okay, BA and CB. Okay. And there are another pair.
CA and CD.
Okay, yes. Well, perpendicular means that they form a right angle. Okay. Okay. Every time that you find a word that you don't know, you can ask immediately. Okay. Now the subsection B. Section B. Okay. Here it says find BCD. Okay. We need to find this angle. BCD. If this measure it's 39.
Then it would be 129.
Okay, 129. Okay. Now if angle 1 measures 78, it will be 78. This kind of draw, if we have the same mark in two angles, it means that they are equal. Okay. So the subsection C asks that we find BAC.
51.
Okay, yes, because this is x and this is x. So into plus 2x equals 180. So we will have this. We will have, I don't know, 19 minus 39, 51. Okay. And subsection D. Okay. It's this. Oh, no. Here it says BAD. Okay. Okay, this is easy.
Then it would be 102.
Okay. And we already solved this. So we need to find this. Subsection E.
So, okay.
We have here this 78. And you already find that this is
180 degrees.
180. Okay. C A E C A
Oh,
E.
okay. 129.
Okay. That's right. Bueno. El día de hoy lo que quería es que repasáramos algo de vocabulario de geometría. Y me encontré este libro y lo empecé a revisar y me pareció bien. Entonces, you already know new words, perpendicular, supplementary, complementary, and this notation. Okay. This way of writing an angle. Do you have some questions? Some questions?
No.
Okay. I think that today we are going to end. The next session, I want that we still work with geometry, but we are going to work with problems, with another kind of problems, geometrical problems. Okay. La siguiente seguimos
Okay.
trabajando con geometría y pues son las 3:58. Nos vemos, son las 4. Nos vemos la siguiente sesión.
Okay.
Que tengas una bonita tarde, que comas rico y hasta luego.